In this video, I will show you how to uninstall Steam. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So if you do currently have Steam opened, make sure to close it down fully by closing down Steam from here and then coming down to the bottom right hand corner of your desktop, clicking on the arrow here which says show hidden icons, and if Steam is showing up here, make sure to right click onto Steam and click exit Steam from here to fully shut down Steam. Now once that's done, what you want to do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, type control panel into here and then click onto control panel underneath best match. From here, come up to the top right hand corner, make sure view by is selected to category, and then what you want to do is come to programs and click uninstall a program. What you can then do is use the search box in the top right hand corner, type Steam into here and you should see Steam come up. And once you've clicked to select it, come and click onto uninstall at the top. Click yes on the permission that comes up and then just proceed through the steps to fully uninstall Steam. Once the uninstallation is finished, you can close this down, but it's still a couple more things we need to do as there's still going to be some folders and things like that left on your PC. So once you've uninstalled Steam, what you want to do is come back down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, just search for Steam. You should see the app come up still. So what you want to do is actually right click onto this underneath best match and click onto open file location. Once you've done that, it's going to open up your file explorer. It's going to look like this, and all you need to do is come up to the top left hand corner, click onto this up arrow to go up one folder, and you can just delete the Steam folder from here. Once you've done that, you also need to completely delete the cache folder. So to do that, from your File Explorer, come over to the left hand side and click onto List PC, double click to go into your C drive, and from here you want to double click onto the users folder. What you then want to do is select your user from here, and at this point you want to come up to the top, click onto View, and make sure where it says Show, hover over this, and make sure that Hidden Items is ticked, because what we're going to do is look for the app data folder. So make sure to tick that so the app data folder comes up. Double click to open this up. Once you're in the app data folder, double click onto the local folder, and from here you want to come down and you should see Steam in here as well. It's in alphabetical order, so just scroll down to S and you should see a Steam folder here as well. All you need to do is delete that folder from here. As you can see, that's now deleting, and then what you can do is just empty your recycle bin, which is going to fully remove Steam from your PC and completely uninstall Steam. So that is how to uninstall Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.